In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify a document using Docusign Edit in Docusign Clm. This is a handy guide for anyone looking to streamline their document management process, allowing you to edit templates directly on Docusign's platform. So let's get started on transforming how you handle your digital documentation with these simple steps. First, you'll want to head over to the Docusign website. It's recognized as the #1 platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, offering a robust set of tools to manage your documents effectively. Once you're on their website, the next step is to log in. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up. It's a straightforward process, so don't worry. But assuming you already have an account, you'll find the login option usually at the top right corner of the home page. Simply click Login and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home screen. From here, the navigation is quite intuitive. You'll want to navigate towards the templates option within the interface. Clicking on that will open up a library of templates that you've previously created or shared with your team. This is where Docusign's strength in organizing and managing documents really shines through, allowing you to efficiently handle various documents stored within the system. After accessing your templates, your next move will be to find the document you wish to edit. Hover over to the relevant template and look for the icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal an array of additional actions you can perform, giving you more control over your document activities. One of those options will be Edit. Selecting Edit opens the document in an editable state, ready for any changes you need to implement. Now you can start modifying the document based on your requirements. Whether you're altering text, adding fields, or updating any details within the document, Docusign Edit provides a comprehensive suite of editing tools to make sure your document looks exactly as you need it. This functionality is incredibly beneficial for ensuring accuracy and up-to-date information in all your agreements or proposals. Wrapping it up, after finalizing your edits, remember to save your changes. This ensures your modifications are not lost and your document is ready for the next steps, whether that's for further reviews, approvals, or finalization. Docusign will save all your progress, keeping your workflow seamless and stress-free. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully modified a document using Docusign Edit in Docusign Clm. With these tools, you can improve your document workflows and make your editing processes more efficient than ever. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your future endeavors with Docusign.